Say hi, Zoe. Hi. Okay, continue on cleaning up. Clean, clean, clean. Clean. Hi. Hey, Zoe, what are you going to do with the mitt? Okay. She purposely is spilling milk on the table, then cleaning it up with her cloth. Or now she's drawing with it, I guess. Yeah, clean. Cleany, cleany, clean. Clean, clean, clean. Zoe, do you want to be a maid when you grow up?
No.
Do you want to make lots of money?
No.
Do you want to make tons of money? Zoe, do you want to make tons of money?
No.
You want to be poor?
No.
You want to be rich? No! No! So are you going to be rich so you can pay someone to clean that up for you? Yes?
No.
Oh my god, Mom, she poured out all her fruit just to put it back in the thing. Oh, look, she's putting it back in, picking it up, putting it back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here, hold on. I'll help you. Here, there you go. What's your name?
Me.
No, what's your name, Zoe?
Mm.
Okay, well, this is Zoe anyway, like it says on her bib.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Zoe, can you say...
Yeah.
I don't know what I want you to say. It's not even that funny. Zoe, can you say caca? Yeah, I taught her to say poo. Poo. Zoe, can you say love you? You love me. We're a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Zoe, okay, my little sister taught Zoe to yodel the Titanic song. Zoe, can you yodel? Yodel, 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 yodel. Can you yodel? Zoe, sing. Sing, Zoe. Yodel, yodel. No! Are you going to clean that up?
Feed her food, please.
Okay, well, we're all done now. Say goodbye, baby. Say bye-bye, Zoe. Say bye. She's waving her hand. Bye. Okay, goodbye.